Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a fun summery eyeshadow look and I wanted to incorporate daisies on my eyes. This is great for festivals, a party, just for fun if you want to try it. So if you'd like to see this video, please just keep on watching and also don't forget to support my channel and click the subscribe button. So let's get right into it. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this orangey light brown shade first. And taking this Morphe eyeshadow brush, I'm going to put that color right in the crease. Next, I'm going to go in and take this darker brown shade and put that in my crease. And I'm taking a Morphe 503 eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to put this eyeshadow color right on my crease above the first eyeshadow. My eyes are a little bit hooded, so you can see that when I look straight, the inside of my crease kind of goes inside and you can't exactly see it. So that's why I'm going to put this line slightly higher than my crease, so then when I draw the flowers right on top of it, they'll be noticeable when I look straight, not just when I'm going like this. And to do this, I'm using another eyeshadow brush from Morphe, and this has a little bit thinner of a tip than the first eyeshadow brush. And at the corners, I'm starting just to feather them out slightly, just to give that little bit of a cat eye effect. Next, I'm going to go in and take this yellowish color and I'm going to use this M67 Morphe eyeshadow brush to do this. And I'm putting this right on my lid. Alright, so I feel like I want this to have even more of a pop, so I'm going to go with this yellow color right here. These eyeshadows definitely have a lot of pigment, which is really nice. So I'm going to go back and take that first color I originally put in my crease and I'm going to put that on the corners of my eyes. And I'm going to draw a little bit of a wing going out with this eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with another little Morphe eyeshadow brush that has a really thin, sharp tip. And I'm going to go back with this darker shade. I'm really going to try to take this just to define that cat eye a little bit more right above the orange shade. So just like that, just to give it that soft cat eye look. If you ever just need to get a little bit more blended, you can just take an eyeshadow brush with nothing on it and just softly blend that out. So basically the darker shade and the orangey shade kind of fade out to both create that cat eye. And then the daisies are going to follow the darker line. Alright, so on to the fun part. I'm taking these NYX Vivid Bright Eyeliners and I'm going to start with the yellow. Alright, so the game plan is that I'm going to have the flowers slightly larger towards the center, and then as it goes out to the edges, they're going to get smaller. So I'm going to take this yellow eyeliner. I'm going to map out where each of the daisies are going to go by just drawing the center circles of each of the flowers. So now that I mapped out where all the flowers are going to be, I'm going to take the white eyeliner and I'm going to carefully go in and draw in the petals. So I'm finding it easier to sort of help map out where the petals are going to go if I just draw 5 little dots around the center point and then I can fill them in, just to help map out the spacing a little bit. If I just lower this light down, I feel like you can see a lot more actually. And also just remember, if the yellow circles aren't exactly perfect, we're going to be covering up a little bit of it anyway with the white petals. Now I'm going to go in with the white and draw the petals in. Alright, so daisies are on. Now I'm just going to finish up the bottom lash line. So I'm going to go back in with this color and put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to stop about halfway. And then going back in with this lighter color. And then I'm going to take this NYX Retractable Eyeliner in the color white just to make it pop. Then I'm going to go and take this shimmer shade from the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of my eyes just because I want it to feel like really golden and warm and summery. And I'm using this Makeup Store Eyeliner Precise 718 eyeshadow brush. For eyeliner, I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner in the color Trooper. And I'm not going to do a wing cat eye with the black because I really want it to have the more like natural organic look, and I feel like this is too harsh. For mascara, I'm using the Covergirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof Mascara, and this is the color Very Black. Alright, so I'm just going to finish up with blush. This is the Fit Me blush in number 25. And I'm just going to take a Morphe brush to put this on. I'm going to take this NYX Contour and Highlight palette, and I'm going to use this shimmery highlight color right here. And this is a NYX fan brush. I'm using a lot of NYX products today for some reason. No reason in particular, it just kind of happened that way. Just putting this in the apples of my cheeks. For lip liner, I'm going in with the Revlon lip liner, and this is the color Nude. And I'm actually going to put this all over my lips. And then I'm going to put this gloss over top. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I love this gloss. And then for setting spray, I'm using the Urban Decay Deslick setting spray. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.